This is the first lesson of a course on programming with Python. The first thing I will do is tell you what programming is. Well, programming is the act of making a program. But what is a program? Well, a program is often described as a set of instructions or as a recipe or directions. Now, in the real world of humans, these could be a set of instructions for making herbal tea or a recipe for lemon cream cake or directions to London's Hyde Park. But there is a difference between these types of instructions, these types of programs, which are found in the real world, and those that are more suitable for the world of machines. And the difference is in the need of precision. When you write a program for the real world, that is a set of instructions, such as a recipe, you do not need much precision. For example, for crepes, which is a variation of a thinner variation of pancakes, usually associated with France and Italy, you might find yourself reading this recipe, and you would understand that for each egg you would require 150 ml of milk and 100 grams of flour. Now you would be capable of understanding this instruction, this recipe, this program, even though there was imprecision. You might have realized that EG is missing a second G, and that mulk is a misspelling of milk, and grams needs one less A and no H. But you were capable of understanding this despite the imprecision, and that is because you have contextual knowledge. You have lived life. You know that this is about food. It's crepes, it's a dessert, food. You'll probably need more food to make crepes. And therefore, once you read EG, you'll probably guess right that this is actually meant to be egg, and that milk is just a misspelling of milk, and so on. Now, machines do not have that much contextual knowledge, and that is why you need to be more precise when you give them instructions to follow, when you give them programs.